If you're not getting views on your videos, I'm going to show you some of the biggest problems that beginners face and how to fix those problems in under 3 minutes. I'll show you the most common reasons beginner videos get ignored and what actually gives you a better chance of getting clicks. Problem number 1, nobody is searching for your topic. So if nobody's actively searching for your topic the way you have your title listed, then your video may never get discovered. So instead of making random uploads, focus on searchable beginner problems. And you can validate these using YouTube autocomplete or Google autocomplete. So if your video is titled My Thoughts on YouTube, you'll find that not a lot of people are searching for it that way, but they are searching for how to start a YouTube channel. So a better topic equals a better chance of getting discovered and getting clicks. Problem number 2. Your thumbnail isn't clear. If people see your video but they don't understand it instantly, they may not click. They want to know that you're going to answer or solve the problem that they clicked for. So your thumbnail should be simple, bold, and easy to understand. You want your thumbnail to portray a clear problem and a clear solution that you're going to provide. Problem number 3, you just haven't posted enough yet. New channels usually need more content before any patterns will appear. A few uploads with no views is not failure, so don't beat yourself up. It means you need more data. So once you select the day or how often you're going to post, do it on the same day at the same time, because the algorithm's trying to figure out how often you're going to post and who they're going to send your videos to. So just keep at it. Most beginner channels don't fail because YouTube is against them. They fail because viewers don't immediately see value. So that's it. Better topics, clearer thumbnails, stronger titles, and consistency can dramatically improve your odds. If you want more videos like this that answer your questions and don't waste your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.